Hello friends, today we're going to be dealing with the filing cabinet. Uh, it has a problem. We have lost the keys, and the other thing is that we cannot close the drawers. Okay, so the drawers are stuck here. The top two drawers we cannot close them, and the bottom one we cannot open it. We have two options uh, to fix this problem. One is to use the crowbar to break the lock. But if we use the crowbar, then we're gonna be damaging the structure of it. And if we damage the structure of it, then there's no way we can buy a new lock and replace the broken lock with a new one. So I'm gonna be using a drill machine with a metal drill bit, and I'm gonna drill a hole into the barrel here, the locking barrel here, and uh, see how it goes. Just gonna use a drill machine to okay guys, now I'm gonna use a bigger drill bit to make the hole bigger. Okay, now that we have drilled the hole, so now we can use any key to open the lock. Still not uh, still not opening, so we're just gonna go with a bigger and thicker lock. Okay, just gonna use another key on it, see how it's you can use a screwdriver, you can use any other key. It's still not opening, so just going to use a bigger drill bit. Okay, as you can see, I've taken all the, I've drilled through the locking mechanism, and hopefully, there you go guys. Okay, we had to drill a hole into the lock to damage it, so that we can get to the lever. So what you can do now is you can just replace the lock. You can buy a lock from eBay or any other website and just replace the lock, and that'll do the job. In our case, we had to open it with a drill machine because we lost the keys and we didn't want to use a crowbar to damage the filing cabinet. Thanks very much for watching the videos.